Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your operating system and that you have an administrative account. This prevents permission errors later. Next, open your preferred browser and initiate the Tor browser download using the official distribution selection for your OS. While it downloads, make sure your system clock is correct because certificate checks rely on time. Once the download finishes, keep the installer file visible. You will run it with elevated privileges on Windows, or use the package provided for Mac OS. Now run the installer and choose the default installation path unless you have a specific need. That keeps updates smooth. If you face censorship or blocking, enable a bridge in the network settings during setup. This helps you connect without exposing direct relays. Configure any firewall or router to allow outbound connections from the Tor browser. You usually do not need port forwarding. Once installation completes, launch Tor browser and let it build circuits. This can take a few moments, depending on network conditions. When Tor browser opens, check the connection panel to confirm you are routed through the Tor network and that the circuit is established. Make sure automatic updates are enabled so you receive security fixes, and avoid installing browser plugins which can de-anonymize you. If Tor fails to connect, first try switching bridges or selecting a different network configuration. If that fails, restart your computer and reinstall the browser. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatched system time or active VPNs can break connectivity, so
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.